I love me some new stickers, and that's what we have today. I have an order from Sweet Kauai Designs, and this is a $2 Tuesday order, which is just a day designated by the planning world where they tend to do little sales where things tend to be between $2 and I think I'm seeing more $3 stuff nowadays with price increases and that kind of thing. But Sweet Kauai Design always does a $2 Tuesday where she takes her 7x9 kits and you can purchase the pages individually, which works really well in your Hobonichi cousin for your daily pages actually. So it's a great investment. With that all being said, let's go ahead and open this package and see what stickers I have. And I love this part of her packaging. It's just so cute. Her sense of humor is amazing. It perfectly matches mine. So I love it. It says caution, contents may cause extreme happiness. So true. And her turnaround time is amazing. Like her and Mandy Lynn plans, most of the time when I put in an order for either one of them, you have your stickers in a week, which I can't say about most shops. I think Sadie's stickers is up there as well, especially these days. She's kind of streamlined stuff. Okay, just making sure I got everything. This is my receipt. We're going to go ahead and set that to the side. And we have a cute sticker that says, "Thank you for supporting our small biz." Tisha? I'm really bad at pronouncing names, but this is the shop owner. She's super sweet. She does these amazing videos, and I've actually met her in person. Super sweet person. So let's see what we have here. A lot of these. So I got the $2 Tuesday stuff, and then I also got some, she has like day on one page kits that I really like as well. All right, here's our fun stack of stickers. The one on top here is her brand ambassador's favorite freebie, 6 of 6. So she must have had a whole series of these. I did put one of her PR girls codes in for this order because I did have some things that were not $2 Tuesdays. So it saved me a little bit extra, which was really nice. I will put that person up here because I can't remember off the top of my head who I used. But anyhow, these are all of her brand ambassadors, which I think is a really nice way of putting it rather than PR girls. Kind of like brand ambassadors a little better. It sounds more official. But she has some really amazing people that are working with her stickers and showing us different ways to use them. And so I love this. It's a great way to remember all of them too. So I might cut out the names and put them in the front of my planner with their PR codes. Then we have her January freebie, which I assume will be changing this next week. So if you make an order now, you probably won't get this one. You'll get whatever she's doing in February, which I'm sure will be super cute. But on this one, we have, the guy biting the cord for an unplugged time. We have cleaning supplies and a cute computer, as well as down here you get your reminders not to use a gel pen, and she has some recommendations because her stickers are a vinyl matte, which means a lot of your gel pens and things like that will kind of bubble up and not actually dry on the sticker. The two that I use the most are these two. This was actually something I think I saw on her website, but it was sold out. So I went to Amazon and bought a whole box of them. And I'm actually finding I really love these pens. They're just Pilot. It says ultra fine point, permanent type here. And I can't remember how much they were. I want to say around $15 for the whole box. And they work really, really well. If you want a slightly finer point, I think the micro perms, especially in that really tiny point, work really well. You do have to make sure you get the gray body ones for the permanent ink. Sharpies also work really well. I've had some success with some ballpoint pens. Some of them don't really like the vinyl stickers, but you can play around with that. I find that using the freebie extra space is a great way to test what pens will work and what ones won't. So there's that. Then we have our art card, which says Cozy Season and is absolutely adorable. These work great if you want to use them for dashboards or anything like that. And then on the back, you have more of their information, which is super cute. Then I did get one of her vinyl sticker packs. This is the penguin one, I believe, is what it was called. And I just thought her penguin stickers are adorable, so I got some of those. Oh, this is actually a sticker, I think, as well. So you could cut off the top and actually put your penguin stickers on there. That would be really cute, or like kind of use it for decoration. I think she does that with a lot of her different things, is they're really versatile in that aspect. But we have the cute little heart penguin. I might use this for Valentine's Day if it's still really cold. And then we have the bundled up penguin. We have the family. I always want to say it's a mom penguin and baby, but it could be a dad, right? Super cute. And then we get a polar bear. Adorable. And a little blue penguin who's super cute. All right, I think these are not $2 Tuesdays. I think these were just additional pages that I got to go with some of the things that I got for $2 Tuesday. So these are deco strips. These are curly clouds. This is part of her Lunar New Year stuff. And I really liked the cloud designs. I figured I would use them in addition to the Lunar New Year. Although if they came in time for Lunar New Year, I was hoping to decorate my Day on One page and my Hobonichi with them, because I think that would be really cute. And I think I got the deco to go with these. I debated because I wasn't sure if it would be too late. But I got those ones. And then I also got these snowflake strips, which I thought were really cute. This is something new I think she's just brought to the shop in the last couple of months. And I really like it. I think it's amazing. I did also get, oh, it says up here, $2 deco. So these are my $2 sheets. And like I said, they are designed, I'm pretty sure, for a 7x9 planner. So they are larger than a lot of the other deco that I get from her. But they work really well on the daily page. You know what? Hold on. Let me pull over some from last year. So on my daily pages, when you see stuff like this, which I don't usually put on YouTube, a lot of this will go up on Instagram instead, but when these type of designs, these are the $2 Tuesday type things. So you can see more here. It just depends. I kind of go back and forth. Here's another example. These are all $2 Tuesday little bits. Oh, you know what? This one may have had journaling, like a journaling kit deco. I could be wrong on that one. But a lot of the pages that I'll use in the back with her deco are from the $2 Tuesdays, because what I'll do is I'll get a deco page, and then if I like the date cover and the washi, I'll get those as well to kind of fill out the spread. So here's St. Patrick's Day. Super cute. It's a good day to have a lucky day. I think that's really cute. And for things like St. Patrick's Day, I don't necessarily want a whole week of it. So having the ability to just do one page is really nice. I really like the Yeti. His name's Frank, and he's just so cute. The dog is newer. I think that's one of her newest people designs. Poe is the panda. That might have been the original guy. And then we have different, I love the coffee with the little 4-leaf clover as well. The unicorn, I can't remember the unicorn's name. I can't remember most of their names, I'll be honest. But I think they're really cute. Anyhow, so here's another sheet. I think these ones all go together, so you can really see what I mean when I kind of get all of the designs. So we have the washi strips at the bottom, and this goes with those penguins that I also got. So we have cute long washi strips that you can cut down. You'll need to take, I don't know, probably about that much off to make them work in your Hobonichi cousin, but they're super cute. And I love how this one they variegate back and forth. So if you started on this side of your spread, you can continue it through, and it really looks nice. So we have that one. And then I did get the headers and checklists. Now these checklists are really large for your Hobonichi cousin, so I don't usually get them, but occasionally I'll get them just to have. Sometimes I use them actually as headers kind of this way and use them more as decorative elements or to frame something out. And then these are great for writing on. They are longer than what I would use in a weekly spread, but for the daily spreads they were great. If you want to use them in the daily, or if you want to use them in the weekly spreads, you just cut them down a little bit and it's fine. So there are those. And then these are the day covers. You get, I think it's 2 weeks worth, and all of the numbers down here at the bottom, which is kind of perfect. A lot of times I'll only use 1 week, but it's nice to have two. And these work really well on those daily pages in the back as well. You could also kind of cut out the other elements and squish them together. And I think that would work on your weekly pages if you wanted to. And then this is the large deco that goes with this kit. I thought the Winter Wonderland was really cute. I don't know if I'm going to use this one this year or if it's going to end up in my pile to use once we hit winter again. But either way, I think it's adorable. And I've always loved her little penguins because I think she came out with the penguins a year or two ago. And I just thought they were adorable. And then we have these snowflake days. I can't remember what kit this is. Oh, it looks like it has a snowflakes. So, okay. So here's your day headers, and I think these ones are super adorable. Sometimes I'll just get the day headers to use on my daily pages in the back without getting the other elements if I really like them. So this would be an example of something I might get just to go in the back, no matter what other stickers I'm using. And here are the washi strips, which are adorable. And for this one, I actually got half boxes as well. I don't think I liked the deco as much on this one, or it's close enough with the coloring on here that I felt like I could pull some of the deco from here for both of them. I can't remember my thought process at the time, but I do really love having some of the bigger boxes. Sometimes I don't always use them, but sometimes they're nice to have as spots of color or to put specific, if I have a big event or something going on. So there's that one. And then I did get this one. This is I think it was like Healthy Ways or Healthy Habits or something like that, which I thought was really cute. And so you have all of these different kind of goal-based ones that I thought maybe I'd use these in my Moxie Life planner. And because I use the companion notebook, and these might be nice little tidbits to put in there as reminders. And I did get the washi that goes with this one as well. I like all of the health elements. Sometimes her washi can be a little busy for me or too thick. I have seen people cut it in half, and I sometimes like that better. But some of her designs, it's a little hard as well. I did get some Valentine's stuff as well. So we have little dates or day covers here with the heart envelopes, which I thought was really cute. Again, I got some of the bigger boxes. I don't know that I got deco for this one. It doesn't look like I did. I might have to go back in and get deco because there was something when I went to check out that was out of stock. Maybe it was that. So super cute. Oh, and then on her $2 Tuesdays, you can also get her older freebies that she used to send out. So she'll keep them. And you can buy them for $2, and the whole thing is a sticker. So like the whole bunny in the bathtub is a sticker, and you could cut out this portion or layer something else on there, whatever you wanted to do to fill that in. And yeah, you get all the little cute kind of relaxing stickers in there. This one is a book one. It says, "Leave me alone, I'm reading." Now, the thing about this one that I thought could be really cool is if you cut out this portion, where your stickers are going to be gone, you could actually make this into your reading log for the month, like write things on the page to make it really cute. There's a lot of really fun things you can do. So I was excited about this one. These are her icons. So she has different sizes for her icons. This is the smallest size. And I thought it might be nice to have for if I wanted to use it on my weekly pages to mark my steps, or if I want to pull it into daily pages, either way. But I think this is a newer icon that maybe came out around the same time that she did the habits one. But I thought that was really cute. So we have those. And then I did get her, she has a couple of day on one pages. Now these are about $4, I want to say. And they come with everything that you really need to put together your daily page. And she has a layout that you can use to make it all go together. I tend to use different pieces and kind of collage it together with other things that are going on. But I do like having some of these bigger pieces. And with the way the Tomoe River paper is performing this year, I might be using more of them, because if I'm writing on the sticker, and these are really thin stickers, so it's not going to bulk it up as much as some of my other ones, I can write on here without worrying about the paper doing something stupid. Or if it bled through from the other page, I can cover it up. But this one is, let's see, Cozy Home is what it's called. And I thought it was really cute. Might work well either for these kind of days that we have where it's cold but not yet spring, or in the fall when it's getting colder and you want to just cozy up. This one I got actually. So this is a fall one that she did with football and everything, but I thought for Super Bowl Sunday it might be kind of fun. So that one is super, I can't even remember who's playing. I know I just saw this morning like who won and everything. I can't remember. I'm not a big football person, but you know, everybody has to pay a little attention to the Super Bowl, right? So that one was called Fall Football. This is just a generic one that she puts out, so you can decorate it however you want it. So it just says day on one page mix. And I love, you can buy pages of each one of these elements individually, but I love having them all on one page. Then I got the Valentine's Day one, which I think is really, really cute. I love this, the Sorry I'm Yours, No Refunds. She made this into a washi card, and unfortunately I missed it, but I think it's adorable, and I love the sentiment because I kind of tell my husband that all the time. I'm like, you're stuck with me, you know. Usually in a joking way. Usually. Anyhow. This was Love You, Yes, and X's and O's. It's just really cute. And I think it's going to add a nice pop of color for my daily plan for Valentine's Day. All right, that's everything I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. We're getting so close to 2,000. And I figure I should do something special for 2,000. So if you've made it to this point in the video, tell me what you think we should do to celebrate hitting 2,000 viewers. Should I do a giveaway? Should we do a special live? I don't know if people would even want to do a live. Like, I don't know. If there's something else we should do, put it down in the comments. I'm open to all kinds of ideas. I'm really trying to figure it out right now because I just realized how close we are. And I'm like, oh, shoot. I should plan that. Anyhow, I want to do something nice for you guys. So let me know what you think would be fun. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.